How to make Duolingo profile public. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can make your profile public in Duolingo. If you open your app here and go to your profile, if your profile is public, then your profile will be visible on public leaderboards and other people will be able to see it. Otherwise, they cannot see you on your leaderboard even though you have made a good progress. So here I'm going to show you what you can do. First, the profile public setting is not available on the app. It's typically on this setting right here. And if you go to privacy settings, there should be a profile public option, but it's not available on the app. So you will have to continue with your browser. Just open your browser and search for Duolingo and go to this link, duolingo.com. But as you can see, it has by default opened my app. So first thing you want to do is go to your app info in Duolingo and turn off this open supported links. So what this will do is any of these links will be directly opened in the app. So if you just turn it off, now the browser version will open. So if I just open right here, as you can see, I've already logged into my account. So what you want to do is continue in your browser and tap on this profile icon at the bottom right. Then you can tap on this gear icon to open your settings. Once you do that, as before, just go to your privacy settings. And here, as you can see here, you see an option to make your profile public. Just toggle this on and save changes. So once you do this, your profile should be public in Duolingo. So if I go back in my app and go to leaderboard or something, my name should be visible right here. So as you can see here, I have my profile visible and it is shown on the leaderboard. So if you don't make it visible, your profile won't be visible on this leaderboard. And that's how you can easily make your profile public in Duolingo. If you found the video helpful, hit like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notification to get update on the future videos. Thank you for watching.